Welcome back viewers in the course. Now in this lecture let's create a function for this user underscore profile information. So we already created a page in previous lecture with the name user underscore profile dot php, and we added this text info about this user, and then we changed the function to user underscore profile function. So you have to now create this, but I have already created this function here, user underscore profile. This is the function that we have called here on this page. This will display the information of the user. As we have been doing this regularly and repeating this again and again, so this shouldn't be an issue for you to understand, because this is the same function that we use for getting data from the database and information like that. So first of all, we have the user ID. We say if it's set get underscore dollar underscore get UID, the UID is active in the URL. Basically, when someone clicks this link or any links from the members page or from anywhere with the specific ID and specific get URL, which is u underscore ID. So we got that ID from that URL, and we saved that in the user ID local variable. After that, simple things are here. Select variable, then the query select all from users where user ID is equal to this specific ID, and after that run, and then row we have fetched that, and then we got all the information that we needed, such as ID, image, name, country, gender, last login and register date. And we validated a little bit something here, if gender, which is coming from the table, we say if that is equal to male, a text male, then we say we created a new variable, which is basically mcg, simple message, or msg. This is a local variable, and we made it equal to send him a message. So that's mean if the gender variable is equal to male, then this new variable should be equal to send him a message. In else statement, if that is not equal to male, then make the message the same variable, send her a message. So whatever will be the value, that will be changed dynamically and automatically. This is just for a button which will display. So if someone is willing to send a message to the user, then they can send. And the next thing is we echoed out in a div tag, which we assigned an ID, user underscore profile, and we said the user image in the first place, and after br, then the name of the user, gender, the country, the last login, the register name. In a button, we added ahrab messages.php uid will be equal to ID variable. So there will be a page messages.php which will create in the next lecture later. So the person will go there if the person or the user clicks this button. Inside the anchor tag, the link tag, we have added a button here. So this will be a button, nice button, and inside the text on the button will be the message that is above. If the user is male, so there will be something like send him a message, or if the user is female, so there will be send her a message. So these all things are dynamic. Now nothing is more here, just simple and simple. And we have closed the tag just before the function ends here, this bracket. And you don't worry, I will provide you this whole source code with the course. So we have just closed that div tag here. This one I'm talking about, we started above this one, this is closed right here. And we have also just called a new function here, which is new underscore members, and I am explaining this to you in a moment. But let's now check this one, this whole code that we have echoed out. Basically, Control S to save. Really simple, really nice. We have got the data in the variables, and then we echoed and displayed, same like we have been doing this practice for a couple of hours in this course. Now refresh the page, and whether you click this, any of the users here on the home page, the post, or if you click here, go to the members and click here, anywhere, you will be taken to that page, I mean user underscore profile, and there is an ID attached, a specific ID. So if I click this Tina U, so I will see this page. You can see user underscore profile.php and UID is equal to 16, and the details is here in front of you. Info about this user, name Tina, female, country United States, last login is this, and la member sends this, and send her a message. You can see this is the button, and the text on the button is send her a message. So if someone clicks this button, they will be taken to another page which is messages.php with a specific user ID, I mean this user's ID, and we just displayed a little bit some new members on this site for which we created a function, new users. I will tell you that as well. But now if I click another user, for example this one, so this is male, you can see now send her a message again. Why? Oh sorry, send him a message. Now this is send him a message, and if I click the female version, let's say send her a message. If I click this male, John Doe, male, United States, so send him a message. So you can see all the things that dynamically in this beautiful simple user profile page is there. Now let me just explain this new members to you. This new members is basically another function which is same like the above one, and just a simple, very simple function just right here. Function new members, simple, and then I say select all from users, limit 0 to 20. I mean only I want to show 20 users here, just simple. And then the query, and after the query I say okay, just I echoed h2 variable. So just this h2 variable about the echo statement, this second echo statement, and I go to the user ID, the username, and the user image. And now the next thing is just to echo out all in a span tag, so they can come in a row, in a single row. And I said okay, harap user underscore profile.php UID, which will be equal to user ID, which is coming straight from the table. To the same page I have given the link actually to this picture. First of all, this is the picture, and to the picture I have added, before the picture I have added the anchor tag, I mean the link tag, and that is closed after the image tag. So simply on the image we have a tag, so whatever image you click you will be taken to that profile. For example, if I click this girl, you will see send her a message and all the details about this user. So that's really simple, nice, and we have added some width and height to the image, and a title which is username, and style float left. Really simple, nothing special, and you already have been learning this in this course again and again. So simple user profile function in front of you, and you guys should practice it. I will provide the all whole source code. Now we have this user profile ready. Whether someone clicks here on the members and click the user, they will see this user information, and if someone clicks from the home page like this one, they will see this page. So now it's working really nice and simple. So in the next lecture I will come back and will show you how to create the function or the page, which is messages.php. so if someone clicks send him a message, so the user, who is logged in, he or she will be able to send the other person a message. So we will create that, and after that we will go to create a table for the messages. See you in the next lecture.